See first question, they have given in the triangle, base of triangle is 9 and height of triangle is 5, base of another triangle 10 and height of another triangle 6, find the area ratio of two triangles. So for that step sum you have to consider, draw the diagram, otherwise you can consider let height of first triangle is h1 and base is b1. Similarly for second triangle h2 and base is b2. By condition we have to put write the values, b1 is 9, h1 is 5, b2 is 10, h2 is 6. So what is the, we have learned the ratio, area of ratio of two triangle means area ratio of first triangle upon area of second triangle is b1 into h1 upon b2 into h2. Formula region area ratio of two triangle. Put the value 9 into 5 and then 10 into 6. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 2 ja 6. So 3 1 ja 3 and 2 2 ja 4. First answer is 3 upon 4. So what is the answer? 3 raised to 4. In second triangle they have given BC is perpendicular to AB and AD is perpendicular to AB. If you are going to observe, AB is I think common. What they ask, find the area of ratio of triangle ABC upon ADB. ABC upon ADB. If you are going to see, AB is common in both. Means base is common. So we write ABC upon ADB is equal to BC upon AD. Why? BC is height of first one, AD is height of second one. BC is height of first one and AD is height of second one. So area ratio of two triangle having common base. We write from values 4 upon 8, that is cut 1 by 2. Answer is what? 1 raised to 2. In third question, if you are going to observe the figure, they have given PS is perpendicular to RS and TQ perpendicular to PR. But if you are going to observe here, PQR having the height PS, then base is QR. You don't consider base as RS, because triangle till here, not RS till here, R to S. Is RQ, so QR is the base and PS is the height. For same as PQR triangle, if height is TQ, then base is what? PR. So we write the values. The value is given PQ this, RQ 6, PS is 6, PR is 12, they are QT. So we write area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, for first PS into what is the base? QR. Second one Q2 into base PR. So area ratio of two triangle. Now PQR get cancelled. So 1 upon 1 is equal to PS into QR. PS into QR. So PS is how much? Say PS is how much? PS is given 6 into PS into QR. QR I think we don't know. QR is also 6. Then QT. QT is what? I don't know. Into PR. PR is what? 12. So cross multiply. QT into 12 is equal to 6 into 36. QT is equal to 36 upon 1 upon 1, 6 into 6, QT into 12, cross multiply, then 12 3 is 36. So QT is what? 3. What is the answer? Answer is what? QT is equal to 3. So in this figure, what is given? AP perpendicular to BC. AP perpendicular to BC and AD is parallel to BC. So we have to find what? Area of triangle, area of ratio, area of triangle ABC raised to area of triangle BCD. So question. Solution. If you are going to observe area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD. ABC is where? ABC. If you are going to take height is what? AP upon BC. AP and base is what? BC. For triangle BCD, BCD. For BCD, if you are going to observe BCD also, because this parallel line, so what is the height? Height is same as AP and base is what? BC. Okay. So if I get cancel it and BC cancel, so we get what? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD is equal to what? 1 upon 1. So area of triangle ABC equal to area of triangle BCD. So what is the reason? What we consider concluded here? If any triangle lies between the two parallel line and it having the heights common, then that two triangles area ratios are equal. Understood everyone? Okay. See, in last from fifth sum, AD is perpendicular to BC and PQ is perpendicular to BC. So we have to find first ratio, area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC. In this all terms you have to see carefully. PQB and PQC, PQB and PBC. If you going to observe, I think height is same. So what is the ratio? Ratio is base. So first term PQB base is what? BQ. And for bigger triangle base is what? BC. What is the reason? Area of two ratio of two triangles having common height. Same second one, area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC, PBC and ABC, PBC and ABC. If you want to observe, I think BC is common in both. Then say what is called base. So what is the ratio? Height. So PQ upon AD. So what is the reason? Area of ratio of two triangle having common base. Correct? Now third one, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC. ABC where ABC and ADC. I think in both what is common? Height is common. What a ratio we have to use? Base ratio. So first is base is what? BC, and this ADC base is what? DC. BC upon DC. What is the reason? Area of triangle or area ratio of area of two triangle having common what? Common height. Here what we have to use? Common height. Correct? Height is common. The next one, fourth part, area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC. See, ADC, PQC and ADC. PQC and ADC. I think nothing is common here. So what is the ratio? ADC means ADC. AD height into base upon here at PQ into QC. Area of ratio to area of ratio of two triangle. Thank you. In this way we have completed the all.